Hi, if you need to enable Do Not Disturb mode on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, you just need to open Settings, then go in Notifications, and now you can see the Do Not Disturb mode feature. So before turning it on, you just need to select for how long you want this feature to be enabled. We have three options: until I turn it off, 1 hour, or we can add some hours and ask every time. I'm gonna leave it as 1 until I turn it off. And now let's enable it by tapping on the switcher, like that. So after that, we can set our own sleeping schedule. Just tap to edit it. You can rename it here, you can add days, and you can set time, start time, and end time. And save the changes by tapping the save button. And also don't forget to enable it. You can add one more schedule using this option, and after that you can choose what will be allowed during this mode enabled. For example, calls and messages. Here you can add your contacts, and for calls you can switch to the favorite contacts only and do just the same for the messages. Also, just change the app notifications. For example, add apps which are allowed during the not disturb mode, and do the same with alarms and sounds. And if you would like to hide your notifications, you can use this hide all feature or just enable or disable manually each of these sections. And that's it. So now you can just swipe down 2 times and you can check this mode in the control center here. Now it is enabled because it's light up white, but if you tap it once more, it will be disabled. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.